can you become a full-time trader like these people? It's gonna be hard, and here's why. A lot of these full-time traders have been doing it for a long time, and a lot of the traders, they want to make it, you know, on the level. So traders with the highest profit for followers, how much did they make? How much can they make? And what are they keeping? So the thing I love about copy trading, be sure to smash that like button, is that it has no limits, right? It can do anything. It can do everything you want, and that's what I really like about it. You know, you can go strong, go hard, and that's what I love. I love to see that it's having a strong sense where you can see how much they're winning, how much they're losing, all of that. The traders, you know, they're going to show it to you. So, for example, this man has been trading for 21 days, for example. You know, if we see a master trader over here, let's say this one, you can actually copy his trades. He made $800, right? But the followers, they made $36,000. So this is his profit and loss, $888. I'm guessing he makes 3.6K. Also for, you know, he makes like 10% of what they keep. So himself, he keeps $800, but his followers make 36K, which is pretty nice. You know, in the last 90 days, you can also, they added new numbers to see how much they lost. Like out of 90 days, 77 have been profitable. 77 have been profitable. So profit to loss ratio means every 21 trades is profitable and one trade is a loss. So you can see all of that. You can see he lost $500. You can see he made money here. So if you look at traders here, someone put 300K here. I'm not joking. He put 300K for this guy to trade him. This trader put 130K, 176K, 170K, 90K, 95K. You know, so they're putting big copy trades for these traders to actually go, you know, and make. This is copy trading strategy that's accessible to everyone. Please set your average between 3 to 10x, not higher. For my safety, I'll be mostly trading on 3x leverage. Please do not set your own stop loss. I'll be placing a maximum of 15 to 12 bets. Happy profit trading. So, you know, total assets has about 17,000. Profit sharing, you know, he keeps 15%. So 50% of 36K. Looks like they put 1 million into copy trades, which makes huge profits. And 707 people are actually in a waiting list here. So that's pretty awesome, you know. And you can actually come to these spots and join him because he's a gold member. So there's really good copy traders, but you got to be really careful that you pick the right one. So copy trading can make you really rich. We're going to be talking more about copy trading. Be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone.